Hello students, I am Surabhi Gupta and today we will discuss how we can reduce the equations to simpler form. In the previous video we have discussed that how we have to solve the linear equation when it is given on the both sides. In this video we will discuss that how we can reduce some of the equations to their simpler form. And if you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with the topic. Our first question is x equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. In these type of questions, what you have to take into consideration is that whenever there is 5 in division, so you have to multiply both sides with 5 so that the division part gets cut off. Okay, so we have to reduce them to simpler form, making the question simple. And how we can make it? This division part, we have to multiply both sides with 5. So multiply both sides with 5. 5 into x, 5 into 4 by 5 into x plus 10. This 5 is cut down with 5. 5 into x is 5x, 4 x plus 10. Now you have to multiply this 4 with the whole of the bracket. So 5x is equals to 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 10 is 40. Take the variables to one side and constants you have to keep it on the other side. Okay, so when I take this variable from right hand side to the left hand side, the variable changes its value. So 5x minus 4x, 40 becomes plus 40 because it is on its side only. Okay, so 5x minus 4x is 1x. You can write down 1x or you can simply write down x also. This is the answer to this problem. The next problem is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now, in the previous problem, there is 5 in the denominator and that too only on one side. Here 3 is in denominator, 15 is in denominator, that is here 3 is in division, 15 is in division and that too on both the sides. Whenever there are different numbers on both the sides, you have to take the LCM of those numbers. So 3 and 15. Take the LCM. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now it will go with 5. 5 ones are 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 is the LCM. Now whatever the LCM comes, you have to multiply both sides with the LCM number. So here LCM is 15. So multiply both sides with 15. Keep the rest of the part in bracket so that your solution comes out to be correct and there will be no difficulty while solving the question. Okay, now 15 is multiplied by this number, then 15 is multiplied by the other number. So 15 into 2x plus 3 plus 15 into 1 is equals to 15 into 7x by 15 plus 15 into 3. This 15 cut down and 3 5s are 15. 5 into 2x, 10x plus 15 into 1, 15. 7x plus 15 3s are 45. Take the variables to one side and constants to other side and change their sign also because they are changing their places. So 10x plus 7x becomes minus 7x because it changes its place. 45 minus 15. 10x minus 7x, 3x. 45 minus 15, 30. X equals to 30 divided by 3. Now this 3 will come into division. Why it come into division? Here 3 is in multiplication with x. Whenever the 3 from left hand side changes its position to right hand side, then the 3 will become into multiplication, will come into division. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. X equals to 10 is the solution to the next problem. Let's come with the third problem. Let's come with the third problem. The third problem is 3 into t minus 3, 5 into 2t plus 1. Now, here 3 is in multiplication with the whole bracket. Here 5 is in multiplication with the whole bracket. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this with the whole bracket. You have to multiply this with the whole bracket and open it and then convert it into a simpler form. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 2t, 10t plus 5 into 1, 5. Okay. Again, take the variables to one side, take the constants to other side and change their signs as they are changing their places. Okay. So 3t plus 10t becomes minus 10t plus 5 minus 9 becomes plus 9. So 3t minus 10t minus 7t. 9 plus 5, 14. Minus 7, when it goes, here it is in multiplication. When it goes from this side to this side, it comes into division. So 14 divided by minus 7. T equals to minus 2 is the solution to this problem. Next, come with the fourth problem. Five x minus 4 by 8 minus x minus 3 by 5 equals to x plus 6 by 4. Now, I am trying to solve each and every type of question so that there will be no difficulty for you while solving these type of questions. So the fourth type is when there is different numbers in division. There are two numbers on the left hand side, there is one number on the right hand side. So what we will do? First, we will solve the left hand side. So we will take the LCM of these both numbers. Okay, because they are separated with a negative sign. So we take the LCM of these both numbers. 8 and 5, the LCM comes out to be 40. 8 5s are 40. So this whole term is multiplied by 5. Minus 4 minus 5 8s are 40. So this whole term is multiplied by 8. I hope you know how to take the LCM. This you have been learned in your smaller classes, that how we can take the LCM. Okay. 5 into 5, 25x minus 5 4s are 20 minus 8 into x, 8x minus minus plus 8 3s are 24 divided by 40 equals to x plus 6 by 4. One thing you have to take into consideration is whenever outside the bracket there is a negative sign, when you open the bracket the inside sign changes. So that's why this negative becomes positive here. 25x minus 8x, 17x. Minus 20 plus 24, 24 minus 20 plus 4 divided by 40. X plus 6 divided by 4. Now you need to cross multiply. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 17x plus 4, because this 4 is multiplied with the whole value. Okay, similarly this 40 is multiplied with this whole. So 40 multiplied by x plus 6. Now 17 into 4, 68. X plus 4 fours are 16. 40 into x, 40x plus 60, 40 into 6, 240. Okay. Now take the variables to one side and the constants to other side. 68x minus 40x, 240 minus 16. Okay. Now 68 minus 40, 28x. Okay, equals to 240 minus 16. It comes out to be 224. Okay. Now 28x. Now this 28 is in multiplication with x. When it goes to the other side, it converted into division. Now both these values comes in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again these come in the table of 2. 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Again this comes in the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56. So the answer comes out to be 8. Okay. So this is the solution to the next problem. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you very much.